उर्दू, चीनी और अंग्रेजी सीखें। 学习乌瓦族语、中文和英语。Learn Urdu, Chinese, and English.
In Urdu, we say seb, seb. In Chinese, we say 苹果, 苹果. In English, we say apple, apple. In Urdu, we say malta ya kinu, malta ya kinu. In Chinese, we say 橘子, 橘子. In English, we say orange, orange. In Urdu, we say kela, kela. In Chinese, we say shanja, shanja. In English, we say banana, banana. In Urdu, we say angur, angur. In Chinese, we say puta, puta. In English, we say grapes, grapes. In Urdu, we say tarboos, tarboos. In Chinese, we say shikwa, shikwa. In English, we say watermelon, watermelon. In Urdu, we say aru, aru. In Chinese, we say taozi, taozi. In English, we say peach, peach. In Urdu, we say aloo bukhara, aloo bukhara. In Chinese, we say li zi, li zi. In English, we say plum, plum. In Urdu, we say ananas, ananas. In Chinese, we say 菠萝, 菠萝. In English, we say pineapple, pineapple. In Urdu, we say nashpati, nashpati. In Chinese, we say li, li. In English, we say pear, pear. In Urdu, we say strawberry, strawberry. In Chinese, we say tame, tame. In English, we say strawberry, strawberry. In Urdu, we say amrood, amrood. In Chinese, we say 番石榴, 番石榴. In English, we say guava, guava. In Urdu, we say am, am. In Chinese, we say mango, mango. In English, we say mango, mango. In Urdu, we say injir, injir. In Chinese, we say 无花果, 无花果. In English, we say fig, fig. In Urdu, we say khubani, khubani. In Chinese, we say xing, xing. In English, we say apricot, apricot. In Urdu, we say limu, limu. In Chinese, we say ningmeng, ningmeng. In English, we say lemon, lemon. In Urdu, we say anar, anar. In Chinese, we say 石榴, 石榴. In English, we say pomegranate, pomegranate. In Urdu, we say papita, papita. In Chinese, we say 木瓜, 木瓜. In English, we say papaya, papaya. In Urdu, we say nariyal, nariyal. In Chinese, we say 椰子, 椰子. In English, we say coconut, coconut.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And press the notification bell to get more updates on our videos.